குடுத்தாங்க சவுண்ட்ல. Nell'ospedale guarda. Allenarle, wow. Good. Next.
Hello guys, very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you able to hear me. If you guys are able to hear me, can you speak in the chat? Yes, fine. And also I'm requesting everyone to join this demo session. Please fill this form, whichever I pinged in the chat. Can all of you please fill this form? Anybody joined little bit late? Whoever not yet filled this form, I'm pinging you. Can all of you please fill this form? The advantage of filling this form with your, just simply you can provide your name, your mobile number, your email address. I will reach out to everyone whoever joined this demo session to discuss one-on-one consultation, one-on-one discussion about your career, how to utilize your previous experience to this education. Can all of you please fill this form? Fill form and confirm me yes whether you fill that or not. All right. Let me verify how many are filled. Let me see who are all filled this form. Only 19 people filled. There are near 28 people. Others, can you do it quickly? Whoever not yet done, please do it. I got only 19 people filled. There are 27 people out there. Please do it, reminding people we can start the demo session quickly. Perfect. If anybody not yet done, please fill that form. Okay, right. So I will give some time at the ending of the session to ask the questions if you have anything. Okay, so you can interact with me at the end of the session. Uh, you can definitely ask some questions over there. So before starting of the session, I just want to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 years of experience in the IT industry. In this 13 years of experience, I've been working for the SQL Server, MSBA Stack, and Power BI. It's like a data analyst I work, and I work for the Azure Data Engine. So these are the core technologies what I've been working in the 13 years of experience. And also I have around 7 years of IT trainings, IT trainings and placement experience here. I have started in 2016 this e-classes training institution. So I'm the founder of this e-classes and I'm the trainer for this e-classes. We are located in Amirpet, Hyderabad location. Our offices are located in the Amirpet, Hyderabad. So you can visit our website e-classes over here. So this is our e-classes website. Okay. So within this 7 years of IT experience, what I have observed, the people who are completed their graduation, or post graduation, some people are getting the jobs immediately. Some people are having some career gap. Let's, for example, some of the person has completed their graduation in 2015. So they might join immediately in a job in an IT company, IT job only, as a fresher. The same person, someone passed out in 2015, but he is working for non-IT job. What do you mean by non-IT job? It might be a customer care or accounts or a Google Maps, or is working as a senior associate or network admin, and he's working like a teacher or a faculty. So these are some non-IT category. Are they working like a civil engineer or a mechanical engineer? These are non-IT jobs. And some people, same profile, passed out in 2015 or 2010, whatever it is. I'm just taking one example over here. Those people are not doing any job, not doing any job. Then what they are doing? They are just doing some business or preparing for government exams. Some people are doing a business, some people are doing for a government exams like a civils, groups, banks. So these three different kind of profile people wants to enter into IT industry. So here the case to case different. This person already gained some experience, but he has a experience on a different technology. He might work this all 7, 8, 9, 10 years, whatever, on a Java or a .NET or a testing. So he's worked for different technologies over here. But now he realized there is no much demand for the technology what he has working, and he wants to move to demanding technology now. So as a part of the demanding technology, he identified Azure Data Engineering is the best and good in the market now. So to secure his existing job and to gain more package, so definitely he is going to learn Azure Data Engineer. So what this person will do, he already gained 10 years of experience over here, or 5 years, or 3 years, or 2 years, whatever it is. So out of his 10 years of or 7 years of experience, he is going to prepare his resume from last 4 years, from last 2 to 4 years. 2 to 4 years he is going to work like a Azure data engineer. Earlier he was working like a testing or a .NET developer. So this is how he is going to applying for the jobs. He is going to applying as a experienced Azure data engineering position. As a experienced Azure data engineering position he is going to apply. This is fine. Now, coming to this second category, the people who passed out 2015 or 2010 or 2018 or 17, whatever, from that day onwards, they are working for non-IT jobs. Customer care account, Google Maps, network admin, teacher, faculty, civil, mechanical. So these people, how they are going to move to IT industry. So if you see, these people packages are very, very less. They have almost from 3 to 5 lakh per annum. 3 to 5 lakh per year when they are working in a non-IT jobs. Now they want to switch their career into IT. So when they want to switch to IT, they were identifying the demanding technology as a Azure data engineer again. So when they are going to learn this Azure data engineering technology, are they going to apply for this job as a fresher? Definitely no, because they have already some work experience on in non-IT technologies. So these people, they have already some work experience. Then when they're going to apply for the jobs as a Azure data engineer, they are trying to use their previous experience as a Azure data engineering experience. So when they're applying for a job, they are going to apply again for 2 to 4 years of experience from last they are working as a Azure data engineering over here. So this is also somewhat fine comparing to these people. These are all already in IT, but these are in non-IT. They are converting their experience from non-IT to IT. Now coming to the third category. In this third category, they don't have any work experience. From last 4 years or 5 years, they are doing their own businesses. They are performing they are preparing for the government exams, but they realized the business is not good, and these government exams they were not able to get the job. So now they want to settle in the life. Then they are going to looking on the IT job. So what is the most demanding technology? Again, is your data engineering. So these people also based on their career gap. So definitely they have a career gap. So these kind of people, when they have a career gap, these people, are they going to apply for the jobs as a fresher? No. They are also going to apply for the jobs 2 to 4 or 5 years of experience positions. So when they are going to apply for this, all three categories of the people, all the three categories of the people, apart from these three categories, there is one more category. Recently passed out. The recently passed out means 2023, 2024. So we can consider these people as a freshers. Correct? So when the freshers are going to learn this job, that's fine. They are directly applying as a 0 years of experience. They are simply like a trained freshers. Trained freshers. So they can also learn this Azure data engineering course and they can apply for the jobs as a fresher over here. If you see the person who is joined this meeting, definitely you are belongs to any of one category. Am I right? Any of one category. So let's, for example, this is category 1, this is category 2, this is category 3, this is category 4. I want to verify the people who joined in this meeting, you belongs to which category? So for example, your profile is suitable to category 1, just ping me 1. If you are belongs to category 2, send a message 2. If you belongs to 3, send it. Can all of you please send me if you are belong to any of these categories? Send me that number in the GoToMeeting chat. You belongs to which category? Quickly you can send a message. I just want to check the people belongs to more people belongs to which category? 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3, 3, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Please ping all of you. I'm expecting this reply from everyone. You belongs to which category? Okay. Perfect. Most of the categories I can see they belongs to 1, 2, 3. In all the categories they are equally people are there. 1, 2, 3. So the 4 is only one person I can see. The 4 only one person I can see. That means most of the students are looking for as a experienced positions. They want to apply after learning this Azure data engineering course as a 2 to 4 years or 3 years or 5 years experience positions they want to apply. Very good. When you are going to apply as a experienced positions, experienced jobs, it's like a 2 to 5 years range of experience. Definitely the learning, whatever the course we are going to learn, right? What it is, Azure data engineering course. If you see in any training institution when you are going to learn this Azure data engineering course, they will give you some course content, right? So what that course content contains? I can see the course content contains, let me open. What are all the services they are going to cover inside this training? What are all the services they are going to cover inside this training? You can see it over here, like right. So in every institution, they will tell you as a regular data engineering training, data factory, data bricks. Inside this data bricks, we are writing some PySpark commands, Synapse Analytics, storage account, data lake, Azure SQL database, Azure functions, key vaults, logic apps, live streaming analytics, some part of Power BI, CI/CD pipelines. Please check this course content. Are they covering these many services or not? Because when you are going to learn Azure data engineering course, definitely you should learn all these services inside this course. The course content should be contain these many services or not. I just want to cross verify before you are going to join any institution, because the students are going to join multiple demos and they are going to finally has to cross verify the best course content, what is who is providing, to make more confidence, because you are going to apply for a job, not a fresher. You are going to apply most of the people as a experienced person. The moment when you are going to apply for a job as a experienced person, definitely you should be very clear about the roadmap what they are going to teach. Okay, some people, some institutions, they are keeping a lot of content. Data Factory, Databricks, and few more services they might also add. So heading they can keep, that's fine. I'm keeping here Data Factory. But inside the Data Factory, how much level they are going to teach? Inside the Databricks, how much they are going to teach? That also you need to cross verify. If you are just looking on a title, but what is the percentage of the content they are going to cover inside the Data Factory? What is the percentage they are going to cover in Databricks? You need to verify that as well. Okay, that is very first fundamental thing you need to check up before joining any training institution. Okay, as a experienced person, when you are going to apply for a job, if you are just learning this course, whatever this Azure data engineering course, the regular training classes what you are going to attend over here, is that enough? Is that enough for you? If you are just learning only Azure data engineering course, I don't think only learning of this program one, whatever the regular training, everyone is providing like a 60 hours or 70 hours duration, they are going to teach. I don't think only the program one, the regular Azure data engineering training will help you to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience. Because if you are going like a fresher, yes, that's fine. Whatever the regular training offered by every institution, it's like a 60 hours duration, Monday to Friday, every day 1 hour, every day 1 hour duration, 60 hours regular training. So what you are going to learn within the 60 hours of the duration with this course content? Yes, definitely we are going to learn technically. Inside the data factory completely we are going to learn. But when you are going to apply for the jobs as a experienced person, as a experienced person, the interview expectation is more. You need to crack the interview yourself. You need to work on the real-time projects inside. You need to work on the projects inside. You need to work on the interview. You need to crack interview yourself. With this just only 60 hours training, are you able to crack the interview like a 4 years of experience guy? Are you able to work within 60 days? Whatever the technology you are gaining, are you able to work on the real-time projects? Not 100%. Out of 100 students, only 20 students only able to perform with this, only with regular training program one, whichever we are offering, they can able to crack the interviews and they can able to work on the projects. Remaining 70% of the people, they were not able to crack the interviews and they are not able to work on the real-time projects as an experienced person. So that is the reason what we were doing. We are introducing program 2. We are introducing program 2. So what is the specialty of this program 2? The program 2 is, see here, with the parallelly this program 1, whatever the regular training we are offering, we are going to make a program 2. It's a real-time program. So what exactly this real-time? As a zero experience to IT, as a zero experience to this data engineering course, we are trying to introduce to make you more confident on this training, on this technology. We are following a agile methodology. This entire course we are going to create a scenario based tasks. Around 10 sprints I'm creating. Around 10 sprints I'm creating. In the 10 sprints, 150 scenario based tasks we have prepared. It's more than 150. More than 150. It might goes to 200 also. So 10 sprint, each sprint 1 week. Each sprint 1 week you need to complete. So Monday to Friday, we are taking this program on regular training classes. On Saturdays, Sundays, we are going to conduct this program too. Whatever the sprint 1 tasks I'm giving, let's see, I will show you the sprint 1, how it looks. This is the sprint 1 tasks. See here. In this sprint 1, the student Sunny has completed the task or not. I will take this status whether he has done this task completed or not. Rajashekar is completed or not this task. Monday to Friday, you need to work on this entire sprint, all the tasks, whatever I have specified here. So you need to update the status. If you have any doubt while you are doing this task, we will help you. So once you are completing all the task status by Monday to Friday completion status, then Saturday we are going to connect with you. You need to share your screen by joining a meeting. You need to perform all the tasks in front of me. Then the sprint 1 is completed. That is going to be happening on the Saturday. Then Sunday, we are going to discussing about how the services in the real time, the topics what we have covered here, in the real time, how they are going to use, we are going to discussing about the real time scenario based things over here. See, these many tasks, no institution will share with you. Still, it's going on actually. So currently we are in 142 tasks. We are going to preparing 50 more tasks. So every student, whoever joined my Edu Data Engineering training, is going to complete these tasks. The moment when he is completing this 150 to 200 scenario-based task, he is a master in Azure Data Engineering. He is a master. And also we are going to make interview questions and answers also we are preparing over here. Interview questions and answers also we are going to prepare over here. So this is how we are organizing this for every batch. Let's, for example, we started one batch over here. So they just completed today's sprint. Sprint 1 they completed with this status. And every status we are going to conduct like this. Shivashankar, how many tasks completed? Jay, how many tasks completed? For review, we are going to create a meeting link. They have to join and they have to perform all the each and every task. So this is going to be happening every week. Every Saturday we are going to do this task review. And also we are providing interview questions and answers over here. So the moment when you are doing all these tasks, you will become a master. You will get a more confidence on the tasks. You will get a more confidence. The tasks what we are covering here, those are like mostly real-time scenario-based tasks only. In any institution, they are not going to cover these kind of scenario-based tasks. So the moment whenever you are completing these tasks, 150 scenario-based tasks, you will get a more confidence on the subject, hands-on. When you have a hands-on knowledge, interview pattern is easy. So we will conduct few mock interviews for you, and you have to perform a real-world project end to end over here. End to end over here. And also, we are helping you to resume review as well. We will prepare a resume according to your career gap and IT to non-IT. So these kind of service also we are going to provide. And we are going to conduct some weekly tests and some referral emails to the job openings. And we are referring to some companies, daily status calls. These kind of things we are going to make it. So the program 1, when you are completing, after completion of the course in any institution, you are in little bit confusion how to apply for the jobs. If we are applying for a job, how to speak with the HR, what kind of questions they will ask, what is the introduction I need to tell, what kind of questions they can ask. This entire lack of confidence, we are going to fill with the program 2. So the moment when you are completing this program 1 and program 2 parallelly, program 1 on weekdays, program 2 on weekends, within 2 to 3 months, within 2 to 3 months, you no need to take anyone help for completing the interview. I am promising you, out of 190% of our students, they are doing their interviews themselves only. Without taking any proxy interviews, without taking any work support, you can able to crack your interviews yourself. When you are joining to a company, client will take some calls. Client will take interviews. Who will help you for that? You only help yourself. If you are completing program 1 and program 2, definitely you are a master and you no need to seek anyone help to crack the interview. If you are coming to my office, 90% of the students are getting whoever the job by self interview only, self doing only. So first make a confidence, create a confidence, learn the subject, then you can think about any other ways how to get the job. But this is very mandatory nowadays because sometimes they might ask you to come to office. There is a hybrid model is going on. If you don't have a knowledge, how you are going to manage the work? So that is the reason with my 7 years of IT experience, many people were joining a courses, but they were not able to get the jobs immediately. What might be the reason? The reason is every training institution is offering only program 1. The moment when we are started this program 2, very good result we are expecting from every student. Every student we are expecting good result. Okay, when you are applying for a job, 3 to 4 years of Azure data engineering experience, how much package you can able to get it? 12 to 15 lakhs of the package you can get it. So there are different categories again over here. For example, a person belongs to this IT experience category 1, he has already 20 lakhs of the package. How much package he can get? He can get up to 30 lakhs also. Many students recently, whoever completed Azure data engineering training from my institution, the last package was 31. He got 8 companies. You can visit our office, you can speak with them as well. So these category people, they can get up to 15 lakhs. These category people, they can get up to 15 lakhs. These category people can get 4 to 5 lakhs range only as a fresher. 4 to 5 lakhs only. Okay. After completion of this training completely, it will take 2 to 3 months duration in between. With this program 1, weekdays, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. This program 2, it's a weekends, Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be per day, it might be 2 hours. So what exactly we were discussing in these 2 hours of the session? 1 hour we are reviewing about the task. You need to share your screen, you need to do all the tasks. Today, just now, like 8 a.m. today, I have taken one class. Yeah, this is the one I think. Yes. Let me try to what we have discussed. You can able to hear.
So the people who are Vishal, Sai, and like
What?
Srinivas, got it?
I don't
Created.
think this is not the one.
That
What is the date? Yeah, here it is. 22 9 a.m. I have connected to them. So what are the things we discussed with them? You just listen.
service level agreement. According to that service level agreement, getting that project. Project scope.
What will happen? There will be a scrum team and there will be daily stand-ups. So we used to get a from the
Yeah. So we have to come back to that point actually. So
we can open status like when we start the work, we start as in progress. Next one, if you sometimes the users will not provide the exact information, the report path and report name. That time, client and myself, between the two persons, one team is there, ITSOC team, I mean supporting ticket team. So we will assign this ticket to them. So we need this report path and report name. Then they will reach out, I'm reach out to the ticket team. Ticket team will reach out to the client, and client will explain to the ticket team.
So we were discussing about how in real time it is going to be happening. There are some experienced people will involve in these meetings. They will share their experience, how the project, their daily, their team lead or team manager, how they are giving a tasks, where they are giving the task, how they are handling, when they are having a different situations. All those things we are discussing over there. And technically also we are going more scenario based, a particular technology, how we are using inside. These are all the things we are discussing in this program too. This will help you a lot make a confidence. So in other institutions they are just covering program 1 only. With this program 2 what we were offering, the people from our institution, 90% is success rate. So we are like generally the program 1 we are conducting, it's like a 20,000 is the price for the course. Program 2 it's going to be 15,000 we are conducting. The duration is it will goes to 60 hours duration. 60 hours duration. This will take around 30 to 40 hours duration. With the combination of these two, program 1 and program 2, who is going to enroll, the 35,000 rupees cost we are going to provide to you just for 25,000 rupees only. So the final price for this program 1 and program 2 is 25,000 only. After completion of this program 1 and program 2, if you guys wants to do any certification on this Azure data engineering, anyhow, we are providing from our institution one certificate, course completion certificate. If you want to do any global certification from the Microsoft, that is DP203 Data Engineer Associate. This exam you need to complete the certification exam. So in the daily, once the class completed, within 30 minutes of the time, we are going to share the daily class recording video. Daily class recording video we are going to share, and daily class notes we are going to share. Okay. For example, within the 1 hour of the session, it's a live classes, you can able to interact. After the session, if you are practicing, when you are practicing, who is going to help to you? After the session, after the 1 hour session, daily when you are practicing, who will help you if you are getting any doubts? For that, we have a mobile app. Inside the mobile app, we have a chat option is there. There we have a group chat. We have a directly interaction with the trainer as well. You can ping your question anytime in the chat. What is the error you are facing? We were reaching out to you to help to finish the task as well. And also you can able to view daily class recording videos from the mobile as well. Class recordings you can watch from the mobile as well or a laptop also. So these are all the things we are offering to the student as a service comparing to the other training institution. Okay. Now coming to the Azure Data Engineering course. So what exactly this Azure Data Engineering? That we need to understand first. What is Azure Data Engineering? What are the roles and responsibilities of Azure Data Engineering? Let's, for example, I have a supermarkets. Let me make this is one supermarket. This is another supermarket. In every supermarket, there are some billing counters. Billing counter 1, billing counter 2. So this supermarket is operating in US. This is in US. This is in India. As a customer, I will go to the supermarket to buy the products over here. The moment when you are going to buy the products over here, what will happen? When you are going to buy the products, see here, when I am going to buy the products, immediately the transaction data will come and save in the backend databases. Somewhere in the storage systems, the data will come and store it over here. Correct? So this is the process it is going to be over here. Okay? See, let's take it from US here. From India supermarket. The moment when you are buying a product, what product, who is the customer, bought this product. The sales information will come and store in the backend database. Now, the owner of the supermarket, this is a business setup in every supermarket. The owner of this supermarket wants to understand few things. What are the things he wants to understand? He wants to understand few insights about his business. What are the insights? Top 10 products with the highest sales, least sales 10 products, year over year sales, current year versus previous year sales. This is how he needs some information from the business. So where we can design these reports? To design these reports, we can use Power BI reporting. The person, whoever is going to designing these reports, we are calling him as a data analyst. A data analyst course you can learn to design these Power BI reports. But to design these reports, he need the business data, right? The business data should be in a one particular sense. Because my business data is in this location. But if I want to design the reports, my data should be in a single place. Then who is going to bring this data here? A data engineer. Different server. From this server, he is going to do the ETL process and keeping all the business data into one place over here. So to do this ETL process, the person, whoever doing this ETL process, we are calling him as a data engineer. ETL stands for extracting the data from different locations, applying the transformation, and finally loading of the data into target. So to do this ETL process, what are the tools we are going to use? See here, to do this ETL process, this data factory and Databricks, we are going to use it over here. Data factory and Databricks, these two are used to perform the ETL process. Inside the data factory, zero coding. In the Databricks, you are going to write down SQL or PySpark commands. Not the programming, those are commands. Very, very easy. And whatever the data you are doing the ETL process, you are going to store somewhere, right? So what are the different kind of storage services available to store the data? For storage purpose, you can use storage account, data lake, Azure SQL database, Synapse. These are all the services we can use for the data storage purpose. So this data factory, Databricks, or the different storage services, everything we are going to use inside the Microsoft Azure cloud environment only. So you can see the Microsoft Azure is a cloud portal. You can able to log into portal.azure.com. Inside we have so many services over there. See, there is a data factory service that is for ETL purpose. We have a Databricks service. See the Azure Databricks, and we have a data lake over here. So this is how whichever the software service you need, you can use that service and you can implement your project whatever you want to do. In this course, I'm going to teach you complete this Azure data engineering, all the ETL and storage services. Also, I'm going to cover few hours for designing of the Power BI reports as well. So a data engineer role is, this is the data engineer role. A data analyst role is designing of the reports. So you are going to learn the course now, data engineering course. Data engineer role is the business data, whatever is coming from your supermarkets, the entire data you need to transform and store in a one particular location, because that data the report developer needs to design the reports and dashboards. To do this ETL process, we are going to use this data factory, Databricks ETL services. This inside the Databricks, either you can write down SQL or PySpark, and inside the storage account, data lake, Azure SQL DB, Synapse, these we are using to store our data. Storage account and data lake, something like a Google Drive. You know Google Drive? What purpose you are using? Simply you are going to upload the files. This Synapse and Azure SQL DB we are using to store our data in a database table format. Apart from this, if you want to deploy your project, we are going to use CI/CD pipelines. If you want to live streaming of the data, you can use live streaming analytics. To design the reports, we are going to use Power BI. And also, apart from that, we are going to discuss about Azure Functions, Key Vaults, Logic Apps. These are some related to admin related information. Okay, so this is the entire course content we are going to cover inside this training. If you need a full course content of our Azure data engineering, what we are going to cover, so our team will share with you the course content. Okay, if you are filling the form, then our team will share with you the course content. If anybody joined a little bit late of this class, I am pinging again this link over here in the GoToMeeting chat. All of you, please fill that form who joined little bit late and not fill the form. The advantage, if you are filling this form, I will call to one-on-one. I will call to everyone and you guys can able to discuss with me about your profile. If you have any career gap and if you have non-IT experience, we can frame your experience over here. So can you please complete this form? Whoever fill this form, you will receive a call from me. So what is the timing of the class and everything? Our team will discuss with everyone now. They will call you. So if anybody wants to speak with me directly through the phone, I'm going to share the number as well. 7997 457 228. Just call to this number and just tell wants to speak with Ram sir. Then they will arrange a call with you. Can all of you please fill the form? Quickly, can you please fill that form? So these classes we are going to conduct in offline and online both. Okay. If anybody wants to speak with me directly, you guys can come to Hyderabad Amirpet office. I'm available in my office today also from 12:30 onwards. Afternoon 12:30 onwards, I will be there over here. Okay. For practicing purpose, yes, we will provide a lab over here. You can create a free subscription. I will guide you how to create the free subscription to log in and how to practice and all those things over here. Please fill the form. I'm requesting all of you. So for each sprint, 1 week duration we are conducting over here. So we are going to provide you different kind of tasks in the sprint over here. Let's, for example, here you can see I'm giving a challenge to you. If any institution is going to covering a specific topic like so let's take this task over here. How to do error handling in Databricks notebooks? Is it possible to drop an email and save that log information to your file saved in a blob? So in a Databricks, when you have an error, I want to send an email notification. Just ask this task is covering or not in any training institution. Simple. If they are covering this one, you can join over there. I want to run daily my notebooks, Azure notebooks, without using Data Factory Databricks. Ask this also. If they are covering this one, then you can join that institution. Okay. So this is how very complicated scenario task we are going to cover over here. For practicing purpose, directly you can log into this portal, portal.azure.com, www.portal.azure.com. So this is a free of cost you can able to create. We will guide you in the next session how to create this one, how to log in. We are going to conduct 2 more free sessions. You can use the same meeting link whichever you used today. From Monday onwards, we are going to start the regular sessions. From Monday onwards. So what is the timing and everything our team will check out now, and they will inform you to everyone. You can join that meeting link over there. Okay. Any question?